25 par semaine à peu près. Un peu moins. Ouais, 20, entre 20 et 25 par semaine. Je sais pas c'est comment on dit.
So, how does that taste?
J'ai commencé cette année aussi dans une boutique de
Really good. So, Denise, what are we calling this today?
Let's say Aquamole,
Aquamole.
because sometimes we do it with avocados, always something different according to what I have on hand. So today I have this blue cheese, this is normal yogurt, and maybe creme fraiche, because okay. And then personally I put some blue cheese or this cheese which is with garlic and herbs, according to what you have, you know. Then I add a little bit of spices ready for guacamole and olive oil. That's, okay. And then you add a little bit of this spirulina paste.
So this is fresh spirulina paste.
Fresh spirulina.
Can you tell us where it comes from?
It comes from a French farmer living nearby who is selling his spirulina in our little village. And he sells dry spirulina and fresh spirulina. 75 to 80% humidity. So it's very good taste. It doesn't keep very long because it's so rich.
So you think you can store it for 4 days in your refrigerator?
3 days.
Okay, so guacamole herbs.
Yes. Chili, of course, and cumin, persilla, coriander. So she's going to prepare the same preparation, but sweet. She's using some lemon, different fruit, a little bit of honey. Encore. Three. Very sweet. Yogurt. And she will mix.
Et mélange. Et les gouttes en plus, je mélange seulement qu'il ne dépasse pas.
And how would you describe that flavor?
Fruity.
Tastes like a fruit yogurt.
You have a nice green mouth. Let's see.
Oui. Ah, on t'écoute. Écoutez Denise.
La salade de riz qui vient de la Drôme.
Oui.
Hein? La salade de pommes de terre qui est ici. Le taboulé qui vient du Var. Les différentes espèces de spiruline. Je sais plus où maintenant. Il y a la paracas. Là, j'en ai.
The dip?
I try to sell most of my production like this that way. Yes, it's coming. Yes, it's coming more and more.
Oh, the fresh is 1%
every year.